So we're on our way to the apartment to start our cooking class, and we're about to learn how to make pasta from scratch, authentic Italian style. Oh my God! It's so pretty, it's like a magical garden up here.
Salute! Salute! Tonight we are not just making pasta, but we're trying to share time around the table, share time cooking, preparing a meal. It's a big part of our life, and this is basically what Italian food is. It's emotional, it's cooking with your heart.
Be quite generous with the filling because it's delicious. Ricotta, spinach, and lemon zest. Okay, so this is our Viator, the machine for making the spaghetti and the fettuccine. The guanciale, which is the pig's cheek, that's being sauteed, and now the tomato sauce is just being mixed in as well with a little bit of the guanciale and the oil. Pasta is almost ready.
The food we got to eat was amazing. Everyone in the group made it, so it was an awesome experience to kind of all come together and eat something that we put together.
The pasta was very fresh, very good.
Yeah, we definitely recommend this cooking class. I mean, it's been a lot of fun. It's just a full experience, and it's a meal.
It's so good.
Best memories are around the table, and in this country is such a thing.
Because if you spend your whole day making pasta, that is gonna make you a special person. Like, I wanna hug someone that spends 5 hours making something.
I've learned so much about Italian cooking that I did not know before. I cannot wait to get home in the kitchen and try this and eat it all again.